All right, so hello everyone. I'm going to show people how to use some tools in Google to help make their writing even better. So what I'm doing today is looking at the spell check and the grammar check items in Google Docs. And so here we go. I'm going to actually show all my windows. Looks like it's a little bit, it's hidden on me. So let me just see if I can find, there we go. Tools. Tools are very important. So I'm going to click on tools and I'm going to go to spelling and grammar. And this is wonderful, having the spelling and grammar check clicked and ready to go. So in this case, I'm looking at a student's work and it's saying, oh, looks good. So they've done a really good job. But you want to make sure, everyone, that when you click on tools, you click on spelling grammar, that you have the show spelling suggestions and show grammar suggestions. That's a really good way of improving your writing because it'll help catch those things that you might not catch when you're just writing it initially. So make sure those are clicked and you're ready to go. Now, when I'm assessing your work, this is what I'll do. I'll highlight a section and then I will click on comment and I will add a comment. So if you're looking for feedback on your work, click on comment, read the comment, make any changes you need to make, and then click on the check mark, which means it's resolved. It means you fixed it. You've made sure it works for what you need to do. And the last little trick I want to show you, and I'm just going to close comments. The last little thing I'm going to show you is voice typing on Google. It's great. So I'm actually just going to go underneath Mike's name here, and I'm going to go to tools. Again, it's another tool, and it's voice typing. So if you click on this, it'll bring up this microphone. And what I really like about this is if it's a fairly quiet area and you speak slowly, you can get some really good voice to text results. So here we go. Hello, my name is Mr. Charles. Period. You have to use words like period to show punctuation when you're voice typing. Period. Did you know that the only way to really enjoy roasted sweet potatoes at Thanksgiving is to put marshmallows on them? Period. It's the truth. Honestly, it's what all the greatest, most successful people in history have done. Period. Do you know what the greatest and most successful people in history have never done? They have never cut a jelly donut into quarters. That would make them complete failures at life. Period. And we end our voice typing. And as you see, it still said a few things. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. And you'll notice that with that spelling and grammar check activated, I can now click on the word that it's showing a problem with, and I can fix it. So I go to I go to it's, there we go. And I click on this one. And look, it's adding that punctuation I want, capital for did. Here it says done, so I'm going to get rid of that. And one thing I made a mistake in is I should have said question mark when I was voice typing, because when you say period, it's going to put a period. So like here, remember I said you have to use words like period? And so I'm just going to use period to show punctuation. Now, is it perfect? No, because look, I'm fixing things like capitals that it didn't catch. But it is a tool that will help make things a little bit easier and improve the quality of your writing. So thank you, and stay tuned for our next tech tip with Mr. Charles. I can't end this video. Oh, here we go.